Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access the accidentally closed tabs over your browser. I'm going to show you a shortcut for the same so you can access them in less time. Now let me first create a new web page and open any of the site. For example, this is my site that I want to access for my purpose. Now if I accidentally closed this one, now, in order to access that page again, all I need to do is to just simply hit Ctrl+Shift over your keyboard and hit T. Once you do that, the same Chat GPT page will appear right in front of you or any of the web page you are using. So you can use it if you are doing some important work and you accidentally closed a tab. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.